Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. Today is normally a happy day when I get my Ipsy bag. I even got two because I had ordered extras. But this bag came opened and not having all of its contents. It looks like, first off, they didn't put the big sticker here, which usually they do. But it looks like it got like stuck on like maybe an Amazon bag and I don't know, got opened somehow. This used to happen in the summer all the time because we live in a really hot climate. It would melt the sticker, the gooey stuff off here, and I would get something missing out of my bag. But they have been putting a big clear sticker here. It doesn't look like they did that. So I opened the bag right away, and the bag is not in there. The actual, which is really cute. It was like a black bag with maybe like kisses, like black kisses on it. And I'd ordered 2 extra things, so there should have been 7 things in there. And all that came outside of a bag, not even in the bag, which I know these things would have been inside the bag, are these 2 things. No, this thing was supposed to be inside the bag, and these are the 2 extra things. So I'm missing the bag and 4 of my normal items. Now, what was also strange about this month, it's October 28th, and I just got this bag, and the extras that I'd ordered. A separate extra. I actually ordered these separately from that actual bag. But it's October 28th, and normally on October 2nd, or the 2nd of every month, they tell you the bag reveal, where you get to, like at the end of the month, you get to pick what's your next month, one of your next month's item, which I've already done that. I don't remember what I picked. But I did pick this for that bag. No, I did not. Yeah. I bought these extra, which I think were $3 or $5 a piece. Anyhow, my God. Where was I going with this? Oh, anyway, okay. So it was like the 20th, I think. I still hadn't received the bag, and I still hadn't received the update on what would be in my bag, because on the 2nd of the month, they tell you what's in your bag reveal. And so I contacted them. They said there was just a little delay. And all of a sudden, that very same day that I had contacted them, it then started shipping. So I think they forgot about me, which is going to suck, because I'm going to contact customer service, and they normally always return or replace the items that are missing, always. But since they forgot about me, I hope they didn't like run out of the stuff that I was supposed to get, you know? Anyway, so what was supposed to come in this bag was this Glimmer Shimmer highlighter and blush by Pacifica. I like Pacifica's products. To me, Pacifica, you have to use a little more, but they are cruelty, vegan, that little bunny wrap right there. I didn't put any face makeup on because I thought there'd be other stuff in here that I could share with you. In fact, I was supposed to get a real fluffy blush brush, which would have been perfect with this, and I didn't. But it is still pretty. Look at that. Right up my alley. Highlighter, blush, Glimmer Shimmer. So, okay, the highlighter is called Glimmer Shimmer, and this is called Firelit. Really, like, full size, like, definitely full size. They're really pretty, though. I don't have any makeup on. I was going to share with you guys, but oh yeah, see, with Pacifica, I find you have more is more. Like, it takes a lot to show up. So that's the Firelit, and then I'll put the Firelit over, or the Glimmer Shimmer over it. Oh, that's a little bit, yeah. Anyway, I have no makeup on. I turned 50 2 days ago. So this is what 50 looks like, wrinkly everywhere, gray hair. Okay, so I had chosen this. It's called Twisted Sister 30-Second Curl Spray. So I should have been doing this in the beginning instead of yammering on. Or not. Okay, it's open. Ooh, it smells good. Coconut, avocado, and almond oils. Ooh. Oh, ooh. I have very naturally curly hair, and this is what's been happening. I've been trying to use different, like, to bring it back to life. I lost a lot of hair when we're doing keto. For some reason, I lose hair, and my nails crack, and it's probably because I'm not getting enough protein. And it's just like when you're at home all day, like, I don't want to eat, and so I definitely don't want to sit around eating protein, you know. No matter what it is, it's like you just get so sick of it. Anyways, let's see what happens. Ooh, wow. Anyway, so I've been doing like hair restoration products to see if that would help. Anyway, oh, it feels nice. It feels smooth. So let's just see how this goes, all right? So I love Tatcha. I picked this one. It's a great dewy skin cream. There's never anything wrong with it. It goes on nice. It's lovely at night. It smells pleasant, and you get quite a bit in this little tub thing here. Like I just put my finger in there one time, and yeah, anyway, probably need some more right there. So, la. All right, just give it 30 more seconds here. Look at that, that's really kind of good, huh? All right, so then I chose these. I paid $5 for the set of 2. I love fragrance right now. I've said that to you guys. I love fragrances. I actually bought, Macy's had like 10 or 12 fragrance samples for 10 or 20. I think it was 10. And oh my God, it's like, I've never tried Prada candy. I've heard people say it. I love it. I love sweet perfumes, really. Or musky, which is kind of weird, but that's a new thing that I'm liking. Oh my geez. A blind person trying to undo a knot. I think I got it. All right. Anyway, I said I turned 50. My daughters threw me a surprise party. One of my daughters is in Tennessee with my grandson and her husband. They planned a surprise birthday party up in the mountains where we live, Big Bear. And they flew in, my daughter from here, they all planned it. My son was oblivious and my husband was oblivious because they would have spilled the beans. So we all showed up and it was just like a surprise for everybody. My best friend from Seattle area had come down with my cousin, who's her husband, my favorite cousin. Anyway, it was amazing. It was like so wonderful. I didn't want anything and I was so afraid that, you know, people would be there because I'm just like people, you know. But it was perfect. Everybody was vaccinated, everybody was safe. I don't care what you feel about vaccinations. Everybody was safe. Anyway, Oxford Blue by English Laundry, which I have tried before. The English Laundry right in my mind thinks laundry. It's not like that. This is Catherine Maladrino Dream. I have not tried this, so I wanted to try this. And I love, these are like the perfect size to fly with, the perfect size to, like, I get sick of perfume pretty quickly. And so it's like perfect, just like, you know, I'm done. You can move on now. That smells like something else I know of. Very fresh, musky at the end. I like it. And this does not smell like English Laundry, but it's in my brain, my little warped brain. Okay. Oh, this is really good. It's drying down lovely. Okay. Fresh and fruity. And reminds me of something else too. Very fresh and a light fruity smell. Love them both. I think I like this one better. So, Catherine Maladrino Dream. Loves it. English Laundry Oxford Blue. Likes it. This is doing nice. Like, look at that. It's bringing the curl back. At night when I take a shower, when I get out, it is such a tight curl. I'll put a picture, hopefully. It is such a tight, wound up little curls. Ugh, I hate it. But this looks nice. I can deal with this. It looks like a mullet. Like, I just don't know what I'm going to do. I was trying to part it on the side. I don't know. I need to change it. I'm 50. Maybe I should have a new hairstyle. I used to have it split down the middle for 35 years. And I try to do this thing. It's just not working. Anyway, Tatcha. Love it. Always. Dewy skin. This is nice. This is perfect coloring. The dogs are now knocking, so I will contact Ipsy. They'll replace the bag. I'm not going to share with you. It's like, it was a blush brush. The pistachio hand cream, which I adore. Could have used, my hands were so dry. And other stuff that wasn't mentioned. Oh, eye cream, which I obviously need. Anyway, thanks you guys for watching. I am trying to put together a video about a surgery I had, and I'm trying to do an update about the life, but it's just, I can't get past certain things. So I'm trying. I promise it'll be out soon. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.